Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I am on my 5th unboxing. I'm trying to get all my unboxings done before Le Bébé wakes up from his nap. And next we have the Vegan Kind beauty box. The Vegan Kind beauty box is a vegan beauty box. It's as self-explanatory as that. I paid for this myself. Can't remember how much it is. I want to say about £18. I don't have any discount codes, but they do always have one on their website where you put the code in vegan and you'll get £5 off any box, whether it's the beauty box or the lifestyle box, which I always also used to get and was bloody amazing. I've just been trying to cut back because we're trying to move house. So yeah, I've got this on a subscription and I love it. So looks like this. Something smells nice. Straight off the bat, something smells lovely. So let's have a look. There's no like preamble or anything. We've just got straight in what's in your box. It's worth over £60. So the first thing I've got is Paw Tinted Peach Pink Balm, multi-purpose soothing balm for lips, cheeks and skin with a hint of a tint. Vegan, cruelty-free, PETA approved, 25ml. I'm not the biggest fan of Paw. I've used a couple of things and I've had so many of them, it's unreal. I haven't had a peach one, I don't think. I do love me some peach, so I'm going to have a little look at how tinted it is. Oh, she's thick. It looks neon, but I'm assuming it will just sheer out to nothing. Oh, it's pretty. Doesn't smell of anything. It's just a pretty kind of peachy tint, so that's nice. I am just wiping it onto my cardigan. Get over it. That is worth £6.95. Where lip care meets colour, it's a tinted balm. They are really moisturising. I think I get a bit sick of them because they do seem to be in every bloody beauty box, and they used to be like 2 years ago, literally every single month you'd get a Paw product. So it's not their fault, but they're just in a lot of beauty boxes. Next up, I have got a strawberry and poppy seed cleansing bar. I've already got one of these upstairs, which I absolutely love, so I will definitely be using this because they are really lovely. This is by Dr. Botanicals. This is £9.90. Refreshing and cleansing and exfoliating bar for your body and hands. Cleanses, hydrates, gently exfoliates the skin for a youthful complexion. Uplifting fruity aroma, suitable for normal, oily combination and dry skin. Hydrate, cleanse and gently exfoliate. Black poppy seeds will give you gentle exfoliation, while the juicy superfood strawberry nourishes and revitalises your skin. All the good stuff in it. I'm just doing it over there. I'm getting further and further away. It's been a long morning. But they're just really nice. I really like these, so yes. Next, I've got a frosting misspatisserie.com bath slab. This looks very pretty. Break off a chunk or 2 or 3 of the slab and let it, so it's like a bath bomb, but it's in a slab. Cruelty free and vegan. It looks really pretty. I've seen these before on like Revolution Beauty, but I've never seen this brand. This is £7.50. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. I love that. Bath bomb fragrance of sweet pink frosting that will leave your skin smelling good enough to eat. Pink and blue and white bath fizzy that is dipped in pink shimmery powder for extra sparkle. Break off a chunk or 2 and add to your bath. Place a few chunks in warm water and let it fizz completely away. Step in and enjoy. That sounds lovely. The kids will love that as well. Next I've got Better You Hair, Skin, Nails Daily Oral Spray. Oh, it's like a vitamin. 32 doses. Initial use, press the pump 3 times to get the liquid flowing. Shake well before every use. Spray it into your mouth, ideally onto the side of your cheek, and hold for a few seconds and replace cap after using. Oh, so £19.95. Get your glow back with Better You and Madeline Shaw's Hair, Skin and Nails Oral Spray. This must-have pill-free supplement supports beauty from within, combining 6 beauty-boosting nutrients. Sustainable packaging. It's vegan, palm oil free and comes in plant-based packaging. There is a code TVK40 and you get 40% off the collection. I'm green. That's really interesting. 4 sprays daily. once opened, used within 6 months. Let's have a little go and see what it's like. It says it is orange, peach and mango flavour. Let's have a little, okay, 3, there it goes, huh? That's gross. It's very, it's like barockery. I'll use it, but it's not nice at all. That's horrid. I don't enjoy that. It's a good idea. I love the idea of it. But, ugh, that is gross. No. And the next thing I've got is a Delilah eyeline. Oh my god, that is so gross. I need to wash my mouth out. Better. No. Oh, that's throwing me. Eyeline is a long-wearing waterproof eyeliner with a built-in sharpener. This super soft, creamy texture has an intense colour and glides onto your eyes for up to 12 hours. Inside the cap at the other end reveals a sharpener for precision application. Gently sketch a line. This is 20 quid. £20 for an eyeliner, a kohl pencil. Fucking hell. So you've got the pencil sharpener in that end, and it's a like retractable one, and then you just sharpen it as you want. 20 quid. That's ridiculous. I tested out a bronzer earlier, you'll have to, and it's a black. Yeah, that's nice, but in no way on this earth am I paying £20 for a pencil, because this will not do anything differently than a £5 one from Revolution. No, that's an absolute rip-off. The box is really nice, but that is a rip-off. So, yeah, that spray is proper throwing me. It was gross. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I've got my giveaway coming up soon, so stick around for that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.